quite a lot of interesting things. This is all around if you just look for it. We're so excited to work a dream holiday to Seoul. Day 1, we arrived at the airport in Seoul, and we first met Yuqing, Hua, the videographer, and Ivan. They crouched take us to hotel check-in. Scenery is Korean traditional restaurant served meal with various kinds of side dishes. We have been invited to welcome dinner by Seoul Metropolitan Government. We thanks for giving everyone opportunity to introduce ourselves and choose to Thursday, drink wine and enjoy. What a wonderful night it was. The food was so delicious and we kept saying yummy every time we taste another bite and look absolutely fabulous. The gourmet is the favorite of properties in our memory. We can't say everything was exactly as we imagined, but 100 times better, exactly same as in Korean drama. After the meal, we have received a welcome gift, all stand and say thank you and good night. Yay, we went to the Seoul Ranting Festivals 2013 at the Seoul. We saw hundreds of colorful lanterns, each with a unique design and story. We have had a lot of fun together and there is no reason not to start taking more photos in this beautiful night. Next chapter, visit Jeongbukgung, Hanput Korean traditional dish, kimchi experience and traditional tea.